Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. YXY. What up, Patreon family? This is a truth-seeking reality. Everyone has their truth. Everybody has their knowing. In order to fully understand your God being and God knowing, you want to always ask why. Why ask why? Well, because you are a scientist. You are an observer. In order for something to reign supreme in your truth, you need to ask. Yourself why. Why do I feel this way? Why am I thinking this way? Why do I go to tears every time I hear a dream sing? This why is important and is a powerful way for one to get to their truth. Remember, this is know thyself, not know Billy Carson or Panic, Bobby Hemmett, or anybody's truth for that matter. We are here to build in our own truth and understand how we function and who we divinely are. In order to know thyself, you must make it a deep personal perspective within. You must make it a deep personal perspective within. You must make it a deep personal perspective within. Message. Ask yourself a question at night and be the Sherlock Holmes for your dreams. Have a purpose for going into your meditation and see if you gain insight in that intention. When setting up a goal, don't think about how you're going to get to that goal. Fall in love with the why. Why you want to be there. You're worried about or thinking about how to get there is none of your business. Get into your imagination and visualization techniques. Carry out your immediate how and let the chips fall in your favor. Concentrate on why you want to be a famous rapper. Why do you want to be Mr. Muscular Man? Why do you want to be a big booty warden at a maximum prison? When you stimulate the feeling of your why in this instance, now you're able to push past the how and get to the end result. Why is such an important piece in your spiritual journey? In order to truly go within, never be afraid to ask why. Ask why to any spiritual system, spiritual ideology, to others, and most importantly, to yourself. Dream wise.